Hey!
While fighting as a god, you somehow absorbed its power. You're quite a genius. I'm really impressed.
I'll tell you, you're way too strong for me, Beerus.
To destroy Earth!
Oh no! He's serious. Deadly serious.
Look, even beerus has his weaknesses. Now he is my puppet. Now, can you stop his power?
No! Stop!
Uh-oh.
It's all over!
After everything has been destroyed, Demon God Demigras shall rule! Impossible!
By the way, I knew you were there. You see, my friend, I faked being hit by you. Trying to control me? That's blasphemous.
Amazing, Lord Beerus! The tables have turned!
Demigras, was it? I guess I'll just destroy you instead. You seem like an evil guy, so I'll enjoy destroying you.
I'll be taking this person to Earth first. Lord Beerus, please be careful not to destroy things unnecessarily.
I don't know about that.
Gotta say, it's reassuring that we have the God of Destruction on our side. With Lord Beerus backing us, Demigras won't stand a chance.
I believe I can't fight in this form any longer. Oh well, it's no matter. This battle is not even supposed to exist in history. The longer and harder you fight, the larger the distortion in the clock of time will become. Very well. My mission is complete.
I'm sorry. What's that?
Nice! You're even better than I thought you'd be. Oh, welcome back. Hey, this whole situation with Demigra...
Look, it's the time nest. It's been a while since I last came here.
Oh, they are the time patrollers the Supreme Kai of Time hired.
Oh my, Lord Beerus! It has been quite a while, hasn't it?
That ingrate Demigra tried to make a fool of me.
He's imprisoned in the crack of...
I see. So he was changing history.
Okay, then right when he comes out, I'll destroy it.
No, please don't! Lord Beerus, please! If you fight in this world, this...
I know, because I'm the
Well, oh!
delicious. No,
Huh?
With all due respect, let us take...
no. He tried to... Besides, can you even defeat...
We will definitely win. Please, just give us...
Lord Beerus, try testing him.
A test? That might be good. Let's see how well you do against...
Yes, thank you very much.
Lord Beerus? You mean...
You did suggest this.
Oh, fine.
Hey! Stop it!
You're so selfish. Oh, fine, we'll go. It's been a while since I visited the time net.
Now, how about you come talk to me? So, are you ready?
Oh, you are? Ready then?
Yes, let's do it.
Reese is my friend, but also my teacher. How far can you get while fighting both of us?
All right, here we go.
I can't lose this one, even if my opponent is the god of destruction. No matter how awful the situation is, there's still hope. We can't give up. You, Goku, and everyone else. That's what you taught me.
Now that's impressive. Now that's impressive. Nothing I can do.
It's a surprise how well you are doing against us. Delightful. Now, how about we just leave it to them?
I don't know. I never change my mind about anything.
Then what, pray tell, is the point of testing them?
Oh, be quiet. The battle isn't over yet.
Excuse me.
Now that's impressive. That's impressive. Now that's impressive. Ha! Give up and surrender. Where are you? Damn you!
Pretty good. That was great.
You're both not bad.
So, how did we do?
I'm going home to have a nap. If someone just so happens to
Huh?
Let's go home, Whis.
Yes. Lord Beerus will not wake for years. Assume that you will not be receiving any good luck. And goodbye.
We're drawing close to the final battle with Demigra. We can't. The fate of the world.
Yes.